गोय कस्टमच्या एअर इंटेलिजन्स युनिटान सोमारा 43.7 लाखांची विदेशी चलन 2 पर्यटकांकडल्यान जप्त केला. पर्यटकांकडल्यान दाबोळे विमानतळार कस्टम अधिकाऱ्यांनी हे विदेशी चलन जप्त केला. हे पॅसेंजर दुबयच्यान एअर ओमानात प्रवास करताले. आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
ओमान एअरवेज फ्लायट आयिल्ली आनी ते पॅसेंजर कोण चोडपा आहा तेंची आमी बेश्टी प्रोफायल चॅक केल्ली एक 2-3 वरां आदीं. आनी तितून चॅक केलें म्हणटोर आमी पळयलें की एक 2 जाण तिकेट दोगांयनी एकल्यान ओमाना वचपाक काडल्या, एकल्यान बॉम्बे वचपाक काडल्या. सो आमकां मातशें डावट पडलो. तेंची ओमाना वयतगीर चॅकीन बॅगेज चॅक करता आसतना while we were checking this thing for security reason, without their knowledge, without the passenger knowledge, we saw that something fishy was there in his baggage which was checked in. So we allowed him to check in, and his baggage was, once it was checked in and he had taken his boarding pass, we actually pulled the passenger and took him for checking. It was a trolley bag, and inside that there was one more trolley bag. Inside this trolley bag we could not find anything but a lot of clothes and things like that. But the moment we opened a cardboard which is there down, which was with a zipper, we found currency of about 38 lakhs. We found currency of 38 lakhs in assorted. Some was in rupees, some was in dirhams, and most were in dollars. So the total currency was of 38 lakhs. We doubted something. Let's check the passenger who was boarding for Bombay. What is his role? This person would never wanted to tell us exactly that he was along with somebody else. But when we asserted ourselves and asked him some questions, we could make out both of them had bought a ticket together. So we intercepted the other passenger and checked his baggage. To our surprise, he was just carrying one plastic bag, just a plastic bag, and in that we found 5 lakhs rupees. So both the passengers now, they are from Ulhasnagar. They had come to Goa. They were boarding for Dubai by Oman Air. One was for Oman, for Dubai, and the other one was for Bombay. Both have been arrested. Investigation is on, and it will take some time for my officers to go through their previous profiles, how many times they have been traveling, what was the reason behind that. It will be taking some little time.